So it says Janelle buys blackberries and raspberries to make pies. Blackberries cost $8 per pound. Raspberries cost $9 per pound. And Janelle can spend a maximum of $40. Create an inequality to represent how many pounds of blackberries and raspberries Janelle can buy. Now, whenever I'm writing an equation or an inequality, I like to start with the end. In the end of this, so the story here is that she's buying blackberries and raspberries, and she can only spend up to $40. So she could spend $40 or less. So I'm going to start with that piece. And so I know that what she spends has to be less than or equal to 40. Okay? Now, if you go and this is a good technique on a multiple choice test, and look at your answers, you can see I've already narrowed it down to either answer A or answer C. Okay, so now we just need to figure out the left part of this. And if you look at answers A and C, one of them has a positive 8b plus 9r. The other one has negative 8b minus 9r. So if you're spending money here, and this is going to be less than 40, you wouldn't want negative numbers here because all negative numbers are less than 40. You could buy as many blueberries and raspberries as you wanted. So the answer is A. It's 8b plus 9r is less than or equal to 40. So let me write that down real quick. 8b plus 9r is less than or equal to 40. And so there you go. Again, I would really encourage you to start with the end when you're writing an equation or an inequality, because I think that's the easiest part to start with. Okay? So you're doing great. Keep it up, and you will master the math.